Today, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify's built-in equalizer so you can optimize your music streaming experience. Accessing and enabling the Spotify Equalizer. Start by opening the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure the home icon is selected on the bottom navigation bar. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find various Spotify settings. Select Playback. Here, you'll find various playback settings. Scroll down and select Equalizer. To enable the Spotify Equalizer, make sure to switch the toggle so it displays green. Now, you can select one of the many preset Spotify Equalizer settings. Choose one based on the type of music you typically listen to. You can also manually adjust the equalizer to your liking by dragging the various white dots up and down or side to side. We recommend streaming one of your favorite playlists while adjusting your EQ settings. If you need a playlist to get you started, head on over to our Spotify profile or visit UnitedSoundSource.com to discover dozens of great Spotify playlists. We hope that Spotify's Equalizer helps fine-tune your music streaming experience.